An altercation that took place over a parking spot in Bengaluru. This altercation turned ugly as blows were exchanged. This incident taking place in December. We are being told this happened on the 26th of December in the wee hours of the morning, and the quarrel culminated with the accused beating the victim. We understand that this quarrel has in fact taken place between neighbors, and it culminated in a violent scrap. Nikhil is with us now for more details on this. Nikhil, what exactly do we know of this incident, which seems to have come to light only now, but it took place on the 26th of December?
That is correct. This again is in the northern part of Bangalore, and this again is in the jurisdiction of Banaswadi police station that has been in the news over the last couple of days for the molestation instance, and there were a couple of other issues for which the station has been under pressure. And this particular incident came to light only after a representative of a certain community mailed this video to the police and also had a telephonic conversation with them, as the victim in this particular case, as it is being made out to be, never reached the police station to lodge the complaint, and the case was registered. Based on the CCTV footage that forms the prime evidence in the case, arrests have been made, and those arrested have been identified as Clifford, Clinton and Lynn. They're all of the same family, live in the same neighborhood. There were issues with these youngsters over the last couple of weeks as well, with late night loud music and gatherings and their parking and haphazard ways of parking. They had been told in the past, but that particular night, the verbal duel seems to have reached violent heights with, as you see in the video, one of the neighbors actually slapping and even threatening him to be beaten by a stick. In all cases under sections 324, 504 and 506 of the IPC have been booked, and the culprits in this particular case, the attackers, have been arrested.